BB in Maine, 321 in the Big Horn. Said have a good day.
All right, 321, no doubt about it. Watch out for that Woody Woodpecker, man. He's out there pecking on trees, man. Hey, Woody, you got a hammer? Hey, 321 Texas, BB pulling back in Maine. I'll see you.
I just wanted to know if I could get in this radio. I'm going to get up out of here now. Hey, DB, I just wanted to know if I could get in your video while you were trying to go across Texas. Hello, DB, Woody Woodpecker in Florida. DB, I'm going now. Click, click. I want to eat up around Florida. Get on the tree. Put it on later, BB. Hey, 201, I'm going to get up our ear holes and let my people go. Pull on y'all later around the northeast corner. 321, there's Big Horn. Said, have a good day.
Real good copy there. 321. Woody, you got it, man. You got it locked down, Woody. You got direct connect up in the northeast side, Woody. Don't you worry about that. 321. I'll see you. Have a great day. Bye.
I want to pull up in the room. 410-201. You see how it is when you get a little Mother Nature. As far as that 087 had all the Mother Nature a few minutes ago, but on my Mother Nature got flipped the script. Ain't no doubt about it. Pull on later, 201. BB around Maine. I'm doing the walk away, 321 in the Big Horn, the green light on. Bye.
Got it all smoking, man. Appreciate it. Tell 201 I said good job, man. Tell 201 I said good job down there in Boston. I'm about 150 miles to the northeast of him. BB way up north. The real NEC. I'll see you back.
410 BB, you said tell 201 around Boston. You said real good job. You said tell 201 in Boston. You said hello. Mr. BB, while you're 150 miles north of Boston, 321 in the Big Horn in Paris. Bye. And that's all right, 511. You got to get on like that, my brother. Sounding real good.
I appreciate you keeping that 5 alive. Appreciate it, man. I'll see you. Click.
How are you, BB? 201 say hello also, man. Hey, BB around Maine. Mr. 201 in Boston said hello to you and the family also, and that's a friendly fire. Take care of that in, BB. 201, 321 in the Big Horn. Rock it on. I'll see you.
Real good copy, man. You're owning the Northeast. I'll get the feed up on JD's page. New station,
he came back to Channel 6, but he'll be going back to Channel 51 real soon. I'm just trying to put on it. And I slow key, BB, 201, 321, big stop, click. On the right back, come on. Okay, so, you know I ain't got no 229 in the shot. You know I'm running the line. You know on the breaker box and all that stuff, you know I'm running the line. You call me. Tell the team around the Badland at 321 say hello to him also. Hey, 201, tell my friend around the Badland at 321 and the Big Horn say hello to him also. That's a friendly five. I'm stepping. Tell King got the 321 and Big Horn said good evening. That's a friendly five. I'm gone. Hello, 281. No time, so.
Hey, 281, get your mind off 201, man. He's busy. Hey, 281, I think my mother nature's rolling back around. Bye.
Hey, 201, there it is right there, man. Hey, 201. Hey, 201, 281, break.
Hey, 281, can I play with the big boy? 201, hey, 281, can BB play with the big boy down there, man? Hey, 281, can BB play with the big boy 201 in Boston, breaker?
Tell them 281, say hello right back. All right, I just wait my Hey, 201, I ain't come out to fight, I just came out to say hello. Hey, 201, 281, break. Going back there and shit, but he...
Can BB play with 201, 281? Hey, 281, can BB play with 201 or what, man? He's got a big stick out in the road, 281, BB looking, breaker.
Like he can't hear you. I'm on the feet, he don't... Hey, 201. All right, 201. My friend 201 alone, man. I just on the way. 281 by you. Launch it down. 8201, 281, Mobile. Break.
Hey, 281, you got a stick out on the road. 281, you're smoking. Bye.
I'm over here trying to experiment with something. 876, I'm over here trying to experiment. With something.
All right, 201. Hey, yeah, go ahead, there's 201. Hardcore 24. Away, getting on down. While you coming out of Boston, 8201, BB in Maine, 281, one antenna, one alternator in the parking lot, gone.
Right back, man. That's a badass mobile, man. Hey, 281, that's a badass mobile, and 201's a big badass himself. Hey, 281, 201's a badass too. Bye.
410 watts on that 201. 201, I'm gonna eat this one back. 201, 24. I'll get back with you. It's my big brother. Take care, 201. Hello, BB around Maine. 201,
410, 201's a big hammer, man. 201's a big hammer. Hey, 281, good hearing you up in there, man. Glad Mother Nature moved back around to you, man. It did take me out there to Bahamas and Texas there a little while ago, but looks like I'm cruising up around you again. 281, good hearing you up in my radio. You know who it is, up in this northeast side, trying to roll with them big boys. Bye.
All right, 401, sign a real charge too, big brother. 841, Hardcore 24. Hey, BB, what's going on down there in the state of Maine? Hey, BB, 281, break.
Not much, man, not much. You got 201 in there, man. He's got a big hammer, so I got to kind of wait till he's done broadcasting, man. Just sitting here trying to talk to my radio a little bit before I shut it down for the night. 281, what you think, break?
Well, what needs to happen is you need to talk to me before you shut it down. Hey, DB. Super train. 4,000. Go ahead and wait. Super train. We got a 21 in a big arm that we can wait. All right, super train.
Yeah, moving back around on me. Hey, Woody Woodpecker, you tried to get all over 281, but you guys faded out of my radio and Texas blew up in there, man. Same thing as yesterday, 281. My Mother Nature's doing the same thing it did yesterday, going from the BYU over to Texas. Let me get my knees up in the breeze. 281 in Woodpecker, BB up in Maine. Pull them back. I'll see you. Have a great day.
Right back. 281 trying to tell you something. I tell him I love him and I just wanted to be safe out there in that diesel car. He's trying to tell you to tell me something. Tell him I love him and I wanted to be safe and drive careful out there in that diesel car. Tell him I'll put him on the later sometime out there in the near future. Hey, DBI, because all you got in your radio right now is in me. That's Mr. Woody Woodpecker, DB. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
All right, Woody Woodpecker, you want me to tell 281 that you love him, man, and you'll catch up with him. That's what you said, Woody Woodpecker. You said you love 281 and you'll catch up with him later. I'll see you later. You guys are smoking up here. My Mother Nature's dancing around between you and Texas real quick. So let me get my knees up in the breeze. Woody Woodpecker and 281, keeping that 5 alive. BB up north, pull them back. I'll see you. Bye.
You also, Mr. 162 around New York?
Bye. Take care, super train. I'm gonna get back in the bushes. Bye.
Weekend lane.
BB, I'm gonna sit back and read the mail. It's real rough and
All right, there, 281. I don't know if you heard me, but Woody Woodpecker said he loves you, man. Woody Woodpecker says he loves you, 281. I know there's a lot of big hammers in New York. I don't have the best of conditions up in Maine. It looks like it's around Boston and New York, but hey, man, that's the way the cards fall. 281, BB up north. I'll see you. Have a great night. Bye.
Oh, BB. Hey, BB, can you say Hardcore 24? Hello, BB. Be back. Forward away, baby.
Right there, Hardcore24. Good evening time to you. I got you up in there, man. Hello, Hardcore24. BB right back, breaker.
All right, BB, just wanted to wave my hand, big brother. Son, I really trying right by you. Hello, BB, Hardcore24 wave.
All right there, Hardcore24 around the BYU. Appreciate you keying up, my friend. You're sounding good. Mother Nature's dancing, but you took my radio, Hardcore24. BB up north. I'll see ya.
Here's your big radio. Hello, around Boston, Hardcore24. 201, BB, Hardcore24 waving. Bye.
All right, Hardcore, take it easy, man. Take it easy, Hardcore. Appreciate the contact. BB up north in Maine. Pull them back. Bye. Click.
Hey, BB, when you got up with that big take it at 201, take it at BB, 424. I'm getting on down. The short, take your triple T. Take